you been wondering why you prepare party jollof and it doesn't taste like the regular party jollof you eat in weddings or parties? Or you find this process of making this party jollof so stressful that you just prepare any kind of jollof just because you don't have time? Well, these are the two methods you can try to save yourself from that stress. Either you use the boiling method or the roasting method for your jollof mix. It is super easy and also it saves time. It can also be stored in refrigerator and can last you more than a month without even changing any taste. Try this method and let me know your review. If you're just coming across my video for the first time, you're welcome. Please do well to like, follow, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the notification button to get notified whenever I upload a video. See you guys in my next upload. Bye.
mi ò lílọ síbi